Good morning, Shaniacs. How you doing out there today? I am excited today for one reason and one reason only. We are going fishing, but not your traditional kind of fishing. We are going magnet fishing, as you can tell by the title. And this is my first time ever magnet fishing, so I'm totally stoked. So I've got the magnet that I'll show you in a minute. I've got an old magnet I got from my dad, which is really heavy. And the only thing I need is a rope. So we're gonna hit a couple ropes. So we're gonna head over to the hardware store. I even got a 5-gallon bucket that I've put holes in the bottom of it. So as we collect things out of the water, and we can put the scrap metal into the bucket, and any excess water will drain out the bottom. So anyway, let's get to this. I am totally stoked. Let's hope for the best. My camera won't stay on the tripod, which is being a real pain in the butt. But anyway, my first find, that's a fat tire bottle cap. So keep going. It's like dumpsters, the numbers game. Keep throwing it in. So on my way to the next area, the next body of water, I found this big old dumpster. Looks like there's some bed frames up there. If I can stay up on it. Have to get my grabbers out for that. Oh shit, I got the string on me yet. So I picked up those bed frames, and this is an old abandoned Kmart at this point, and this is literally sitting out here in the middle of back here. I'm like, all right. Even has the cord still on it. I'm like, score. All right, guys, as you can kind of see, that's the bridge over there. It's a really beautiful area down here. This is the Big Island River Conservatory, and a lot of guys go fishing off these piers. So I'm hoping maybe we'll get lucky and find some stuff. I don't know, we'll see. So there you go, guys. There's my first piece, big piece out of the water. And I'm sure it's plastic, so I don't know if there's a nut or a bolt in there holding that on or what, but kind of crazy. Well, there it is, my wild, not including the knife, of course. This must, even though it looks plastic, it must have metal running through it. But that is how disappointing this day was. So if it weren't for those couple dumpster find and that lamp, I'd be disappointed. I probably would have been better off just collecting all the aluminum beer cans I saw laying around on the ground. So anyway, not to get this started, first time, can't expect to hit it right away, right? So on to the next place someday. Well, guys, got a call from a guy that has some brake rotors and some other automotive stuff he wants to get rid of. So I'm heading over there now. So, but still very disappointing on the old magnet fishing, but what do you do? Anyway, let's go get some free metal. Those are all the rotors I got from that guy. So as you can see, it is garbage picking night in my neighborhood. You know, we had a pretty nice, cool weekend. Good weather, decent weather. So I'm hoping that somebody cleaned out some stuff. So let's go see if we can find some treasures. There we go. It's aluminum. Well, this just got interesting. Storm door in there too. Gotta set this phone down, unfortunately. Going up there pretty quick. This night gets better and better, man. Holy cow, got a fire pit, a side table. Part of a swing set there. Shop back. And of course, a refrigerator. Which I don't have room for. There's a cord in there. Wow. Crazy. Center for that too. Wow. All right, let me get loading up here. All right, guys, this is gonna be the last one of the night. I saw this from the road. There's some stovepipe in here. I want to pull this out, see if I can't scrunch it down by stepping on it, load it up, and then I got to get home because there is some stuffed mushrooms waiting for me with my name on it. So I'm going to pull these out and we'll see what we can do with them. So it looks like it's going to stomp down pretty good. Well, I think that's another full load right there. Yeah, baby, you're going to the scrapyard first thing in the morning. Well, guys, we are back at the scrapyard Monday morning. And we're going to load here and see how much money we made to wrap up this video. Wow, $555.40, that's a lot for me. Alright, drum roll please, you're not going to believe this. We had 820 pounds, and what do you think that worked out to? $63.55. That is the biggest payout I have ever had at a scrapyard out of this van. That is just amazing. Twice what I normally bring in here. Had to be those cast brake pads that I got from that guy. Those were so heavy. So yeah, I am very, very stoked, very pleased with that. $63.55. Woo! New record high. Well, with that, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you subscribing to this channel, leaving comments, engaging with me, telling me what I missed at these garage sales, the whole 9 yards. Thank you for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. It's a Monday morning, so have a great week. Stay safe in all you do, and most of all, keep cool. Take care. We will see you at the next dumpster. Have a good week. Bye-bye.